What's up everyone, and welcome to another day in the life of the Acker family. Today's episode's gonna be a little bit different. We don't have the kids running around, we're not playing, we're not going on a trip, we're not building anything, we're not hunting, we're not fishing. I'm actually gonna do a how-to. So today I've got to mow the yard. It's getting a little tall. But when I mow the yard and then I weed eat, then there's grass all over the driveway, the back porch. I've got to blow it all off, blow it in the grass. Well, my blower, what do you call it? Assistance spring, when you pull the string, broke. It's an older backpack blower, and now it doesn't work using the string. So this is going to be a how to start your blower without the string. I'm gonna mow the yard real quick. When I get to the blower, I'll bring you there. Before we get into starting the blower without a string, I'm gonna mow the yard, weed eat, and then when we get to it, I'll show you what I do. So anyways, let's just do it. Holy cow. Give me a second. It's hot. Alright, let me go get a drink of water. I'll be right back with how to start your blower without a string. Normally, your blower, lawnmower, weed eater has a string, right? Pull start. I've had my blower for quite some time. I think back in high school, maybe in college, I had a landscape company. So I went with a backpack blower, got more blowing power. So this contraption has a spring in there, and it's an easy pull start. It assists with pulling and starts right up, bada bing, bada boom. But that spring broke, so I've got no string. But what I realized is that this is the mechanism that caught on the springs, and guess what it has? a bolt. Yes, that is right, a bolt. So, fortunately, I've got a handy dandy drill that fits that nut. Let me show you something. Give it a little pump, get a little prime, turn the choke on, usually about 3 times, and we're ready to go. Turn the choke off. Watch this. What? Now how cool is that? I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I'm gonna go blow the driveway. I'll be right back. So don't go anywhere. Alright, all done blowing, weed eating, mowing. Yard's looking beautiful. Just a little recap. Not sure if you could hear me not at the end there. Let me put down my blower. So, on all blowers, you'll have a kind of a mechanism for the crankshaft. So the crankshaft's inside there. Got the motor compartment here, spark plug, primer, whatnot. So it'll have some sort of nut system on there to where you can find the size that fits. For this one, it's a 9/16. Not sure if you can see that, 9/16, but fits them perfectly. We're only going one way. And fortunately, as you crank it to the right, so righty-tighty, it's tightening the bolt, as well as that's the direction that the shaft moves to crank up the motor. So that's all I've got for you today. It wasn't, you know, kids or hunting or fishing or building things, but I think it was a pretty good how-to. I'm sure there's other people out there that broke the string, couldn't order another one. You know, it's an older model, so they don't really make them. They're hard to find. But hey, I got a drill, a socket, and a working lawnmower, so I don't have to drop another 200 bucks for another backpack blower, and that's gonna be it. So hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash it, tap it, whatever you want to do. Ring the little bell next to it. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Join us next time. Take it easy. Peace.